If your Apple ID has been restricted, you can appeal the decision by following these steps. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Gather information. Collect all relevant information regarding your Apple ID, including your account details, the reason for the restriction, and any communication you have received from Apple. Step 2. Visit Apple support page. Go to the official Apple support website. Look for the section related to Apple ID and account issues. This is where you will find the necessary resources to appeal your restriction. Step 3. Sign into your account. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Submit an appeal. Locate the option to submit an appeal regarding your account restriction. Fill out the required form with accurate information, including your account details and a clear explanation of why you believe the restriction should be lifted. Step 5. Wait for a response. After submitting your appeal, monitor your email for a response from Apple. They may take some time to review your case, so be patient and check your inbox regularly for updates. In conclusion, appealing an account restriction on your Apple ID can be straightforward if you follow these steps. Make sure to provide all necessary information and be patient while waiting for a response.